Hello, assalamu alaikum. Greetings, my beautiful family. It's a great evening here in Uganda, Africa. Please, we have this recipe. We are going to prepare our dinner. We have few ingredients which we are going to use. There is parsley, ginger, onion, garlic, and Irish potato. Of course, we can't miss salt and cooking oil. We are going to fry our Irish potato. So stay tuned and watch this video until the end. It's not a normal fried Irish potato. It's another way of cooking your Irish potato. So stay tuned and watch this video until the end. For the new viewers, you're highly welcome. And the returning ones, we really appreciate for the love. Please continue supporting your girl so that the channel grows. Let's prepare our dinner. Simple meals on this channel and very delicious recipes. Here we go with our dinner. So I love cooking this recipe. It's always simple and delicious for my family. They always love this type of recipe which we are going to prepare. So stay tuned, you watch the video. Don't skip any step of cooking this recipe. It's very easy but delicious recipe for the day. Just a simple recipe for the day. Just boil. We are boiling our Irish agumanji. We are boiling our Irish halfway. Then the next step is deep frying. It's frying it. So our Irish are almost ready. The first phase is done. We are going to fry our Irish, the second step. This is first step of boiling our Irish, then the second step is frying it. That is black pepper. So our dinner is now ready. As you can see, our Irish potato are now ready. Let's enjoy our dinner. For the new viewers, please you subscribe the channel. We have a lot of recipes, simple recipes on this channel, and our channel is all about food. We do cooking videos every day, a recipe. Let's enjoy our dinner, please. So let's serve our dinner. Our dinner is now ready. Come, we enjoy together. Simple recipes on this channel. Simple and delicious. Come taste our food, please. Come taste our recipes. Homemade recipes. Very delicious. Simple recipes ever on our channel. Come, we enjoy our dinner. This is how we are going to enjoy our dinner today. We have simple dinner. This is garlic butter, but we did not use butter. We've decided to use our cooking oil. Let's enjoy our dinner. Remember, we had also our leftover beans, so we need to include some beans. Some beans on our menu. This is the menu of the day. So let's enjoy our dinner, please. See you after grabbing our meals. Bye bye.